What up, everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince Doc.
Philip,
Sharp, Nandi.
Nandi. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. Don't forget the name, guys. Don't forget the name. This is a platform where you guys get to get the latest news. As a soccer, as a football.
Yeah.
From Okranti up until like us, he was told as she says, Bagwala.
Yeah.
Ndwana.
Yeah, Ndwana.
Sibacala nge-Okranti.
No.
Sibacala va.
Singayi lapho.
Yeah.
Ngifuna sibacale khona la Africa, Ndwana.
Okay.
Yeah. Ayazi le.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's this like the one and only player who came to Betway Premiership and scored 3 penalties.
I won.
In a single match.
I won, man.
Yeah. Ushaye hat-trick.
Yamapenalty.
Bheka.
Izinja msilezo. Izinja.
Caleb.
Bani masingaringe. Caleb. Yeah, khamba nontwana.
Please bemenye mana. Untwana like he's heading to MC Alga in Algeria. So yeah. Alga you number 1 league yase Algeria.
Yabo Mayo ne?
Yeah, Yabo Mayo.
Okay.
And I'm sure he believes that is second. Yeah.
Underlog.
Yeah. So MC Alga, which means they've seen something good I think. Caleb.
Bambona.
Like I don't know.
Bekadlala.
Like maybe Begadal after leaving Kaizer Chiefs and sure we were signed somewhere.
Yeah.
So I think maybe babone leon dole like indona angisho yazi ukuthi mawuza ngapha Premier like Betway Premiership.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like it's very difficult.
It is a very difficult.
So I think undwana beyangekwa akwazi ukumelana nalesi standard sangayi. So ngara maybe uzodlala like ngayibona le team they were playing against Pirates Marale believes that it was second underlog.
Yeah.
So ngabona like they were badlala ngakhona
something is not make sure.
I think uKaleb uzofita ngara.
I feel like I don't know. I really don't have much to say on Ntwana. I think him moving that side shukuthi bona bayazi ukuthi bayomspanisa vaya yabo.
Yeah, obvious, but they know. Angeke bamane bamlande bangazi ukuthi they know ukuthi he's going to bang those goals.
Yeah. Okay. Sticking to Africa, I want us to mention Umangoba.
Umangoba, eh?
Yeah.
Umangoba
sticking to Africa. I think Umangoba has been mentioned in a lot of African teams.
Yeah.
Now recently a list of teams have been taken out.
Yeah.
He was one of the coach team yase Saudi.
It's Sudan. Yeah.
I almost said Saudi.
No.
El Cristiano. Sus! Yeah, so...
no, that's the Sudanese league.
Yeah.
The Al Merrikh Sporting Club.
SC, yeah.
Yeah, they wanted him, but they ended up opted for Coach Mitchell. Yeah, the former Orlando Pirates coach.
Yeah.
I
don't know, but on your side, do you think is it a wise thing for him to move Lape Africa or kwamela hlale eKaizer?
I think for now ngoba angana Spani. I think angasatshela anything is but I so wish ukuthi ngathi ngaya Africa. Yeah, cause lamzansi ntwana uyothathwa yini maybe athathwe iMagisi. I'm making for an
example. Yeah.
Then makathathwa iMagisi then eMagisi ayifuna ukuthenga ama player uyangithola baruna i-riding i-dignity yakhe ayobuya nayo kuMamelodi Sundowns, reputation yakhe ubuya nayo kuMamelodi Sundowns. So I think makangaya Africa at least.
Yeah. I think now we're Ukraine because the very same thing that I was thinking. I'm like Untwana he has like a lot of experience.
Yeah.
Whether we like it or not, him being at Sundowns, being the head coach there and not working out for him.
Yeah.
He was there since Abopito. So
you have to mention that Uspane Abopito.
Yeah. So
Dr. Pizzo.
Imendlela unayo. We just have to give it to him. He does have experience and coaching. The only thing ngathi imosheda, it was him just changing the whole structure as Sundowns, trying to change the style of play. Already Umkwena, he was like out there, yabo. So him changing everything, it was just not gonna happen anytime soon.
Sure.
My fans were not patient enough, yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think for him moving abroad or like Africa, we do good for him.
Yeah.
Do good for him.
That's true.
And then move over to Sereno, Kaizer Chiefs.
Sereno.
Yeah.
Baleka Kalamasayari.
Oui. Umchita
Uten.
Yeah.
Style Santona, one of my favorite player.
Okay.
Not good to go with Chiefs. You know, he's been my favorite player. As I say, good down. Ngikutshela ngithi noma idown ngingamdlalisi, but the day bomfaka ubheka quality.
Uyabonakala. Lo ngivumisa ngakhona ngithulile ngithula ngibuke. Okay.
Yeah. Like I'm happy now because Serena came back since Abuyile training manje, but he's doing very good.
Yeah.
His attitude has been changed recently, so he's putting more effort in the training. So he's doing exceptionally well.
What I'm just giving credit to Chiefs is that they're not depending on just one player.
Yeah.
They're not just looking at one player, but focus their whole game plan on one player. Untwana, I just think ukuthi ubone all these new signings, the 3 signings.
Yeah, angisho uyabona ukuthi kule position yakhe manje they've signed some players. So obviously yellow imtshela something la mabazo sign ama-attackers akhona uyamthola. Yeah, ngapha yena ufuna ukwenza lento ayenzayo. So I think now uyazigubhula ukuthi no fuck man. I'm 33 ngapha unencosi encane yabona manje kumele ayibhekele, so I think like into emphushayo manje ukuthi aspan. So I so wish ukuthi ngimbone ngistaying line up on Friday against Stellenbosch. Yeah. First starting 11. I so wish ngimbone da.
Na untwana, but the way they were performing akona, he's been performing good, so as long as I perform the way I perform a corner, everything will go well for him. He has class, and it's something Gucci we don't have to even like argue about.
Yeah.
Untwana has class, and
class is permanent.
We are push out. Magatu album.
Sure.
Lama window ya keep.
Relax.
Okay, so Chiefs to Pirates. Umakaula.
Makhehleni Makaula.
Khehla ngwane.
Thina sikamahlalela into evule fridge ingasebenzi. Hleza mntana mikhehle.
Wena ma.
Back to back man of the match.
Yeah.
So, coming from Soweto Derby. He was also voted for the man of the match, best player in the midfield. So
they were playing against Sekhukhune, ne?
Yeah, yesterday they were playing against Sekhukhune. He also won that player of
the match.
So
he scored the second goal. I think that has contributed.
Yeah, so that I think that is why Jose Rivero, like, he's fighting with they have to renew contract. Yeah,
his contract is ending on June, July.
Yeah.
So he is actually like 36 years old. So they not even betting Keeper like for a long time. Signed a 1-year contract last season. This season nakona izophela, so they're extending again with a 1 year. Just to mbona ukuthi he's still fit not to commit, yabo.
Yeah.
Pirates not to commit on him, but now we are show coach ukuthi yazini, I still need this guy on my starting 11.
Yeah.
So definitely by the end of the season, they'll look up on renewing his contract.
Sure.
Extension. Yeah. They were playing against Sekhukhune.
Yeah, they were playing against Sekhukhune.
Yeah. Which player can you highlight besides him from the match?
But we've watched the match together. You know the player and with Beuba and like the other guy right.
Yeah.
Like if it was possible to give man of the match to a losing team, I was gonna give it to
Chef.
Master Chef.
Yeah.
Sipho Mbuli. player league and
yeah.
Like he was causing a threat lapha yakule midfield.
Havoc.
Like he was destroying Orlando Pirates.
True.
Like I really deserve that. Like I really believe that he deserves his flowers. And
he should be
let's
given.
give credit to him. So,
by the look of things, the way he's performing, I think Sundowns coach bayabheka nakhona. So since he's on loan,
Sundowns ngeke abuye. Like Sundowns once a loan, just tell me one player or mention one player. We are back manje Downs.
What I'm saying is my performer good.
No.
Next.
No, the only thing engenzeka manje ukuthi iChiefs emayira kusikhukhuli. Please bring Sipho Mbule.
Good Chiefs.
Yeah, but I tell Umar abuyele back to school. Like he was there.
Captain, my captain. Ntwana wena ngathi uyakhohlwa ukuthi captain yakho.
He was there and the way captain nali kusikhukhuni. So angaba grand futhi abuyele lintwana. But I do chef bambeke lapha ya. I think he's the missing link clear midfield Chiefs. So yeah, he's untwana is.
Now big ups to him, big ups to the chef.
So, yeah.
He's been cooking. Yeah, I don't know. Anginawo kuningi intwana.
Guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. From me to you, one love, peace.
Soccer Forensics, we out.